So the table represents the function f, and the function g is an exponential function passing through the points 3, -53 and 5, -41. Which statement is true about the interval from 3 to 5? So what we want to do is they're asking us basically compare the average rate of change. All right. So to find that, we're going to calculate one, and then we're going to calculate the other. So let's do the rate of change in red of f. So remember, the rate of change is f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So we're going to go from 3 to 5. So for f, we're considering the points 3, 59.
Excuse me, interruption, teachers. Would all STAR students, please, high school STAR students, please report to the cafeteria?
From 3 to 5, and then so remember that a and b are, so this is, let me give myself a little space here. A then would equal 3, f of a would equal 59. Then on the next one, I have 5, 71. So then b would equal 5, and f of b equals 71. So if I just plug this in, I'm going to say 71 minus 59 all over 5 minus 3. So in the next step, 71 minus 59 is 12, I believe. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. So it should reduce down to 6. I'm going to plug that in the calculator just to double check. Sometimes Mr. Adams' brain, especially at the end of the week, is not the greatest. So you can plug it in. You can do this all in one swoop. I could say 71 minus 59 divided by 5 minus 3, like that. And then hit enter, and it should say 6. Oh, phew. Brain's kind of working. All right, so that's that one. And now we got to do the same thing with, that was F. And so now we got to do the same thing with G. So this would be A, right? And this would be G of A. And this would be B. And this would be G of B. So to do the rate of change of G, we're going to do G of B minus G of A all over B minus A, where A equals 3, G of A equals negative 53, B equals 5, G of B equals negative 41. And then we plug it in. So G of B is negative 41 minus 53, all over 5 minus 3. 53 minus 41, remember when you minus a minus, it becomes a plus. So 53 minus 41 is, it's 12. All over 2. That should be 6. Let's double check that. So now I'm going to say negative, oops, it's got to be a negative, negative 41 minus negative 51, close parentheses, open parentheses, 5 minus 3. I should get 6. Wait a second. It's not 51. No, 53. Okay, now it'll work. All right, whew. Long week. All right, so what does that say? What statement is true? The statement that's true is that the average rate of change of F is the same as the average rate of change of G. So they have the same. And that's it.